From a very, very early age, I've been interested in cars. Basically, almost anything with an engine. The Automotive Training Center is a training center that uses auto repair to mentor at-risk youth, especially those dealing with formerly being incarcerated, to help them get employed and to get jobs. We're not so much worried about their past, we're worried about the current. Teenagers and young adult males aren't always the most open, but if you open the hood of a car and they're focused on that, they tend to talk about themselves. And we use that to get into the softer side and maybe deal with some of the things that may be holding them back. I narrowly missed being a statistic myself. I personally understood what it was like to be facing criminal charges and to know what a big impact that would have made on my life. And I see there's so many young people that are dealing with more serious things without the kind of support that I had, and there has to be somebody there that's gonna offer them some support. So we trained 55 students last year, 40 in our introductory program and another 15 in our entry-level program. Of the entry-level program, over 80% of them are currently employed. Atlanta is wonderful. I think it would be hard for us to do what we do in other places. My goal and my vision is big. I want to help as many people as possible break the cycle of mass incarceration if they're dealing with that or being at risk, and move on a path through employment to better themselves. Every 8 weeks that we have a graduation, it gives me time to sit back and just see the growth in every class. And I look back at the numbers of students trained and have gone through our program and are doing successful things. It's just a great sense of pride. Repairing lives and repairing cars. It makes me very, very happy.